Hello everyone and welcome once again to the Deiser connection. How you doing? I hope you're doing really great. We're doing super cool, It's been a really crazy 2 weeks now and we're hoping for the next one to be even crazier because we're going to another event. Last week we went to the Rotterdam event. As we said in our last video, we were expecting this ACE to be awesome and the Enterprise Dam was really cool. We had a lot of talks, we saw a lot of people, and there was a lot of talks that were interesting. For example, there was the Farquhar AMA session, which was really interesting. Also, there was an AMA Ask Me Anything from Sven, a DevOps advocate for Atlassian, and it was also really interesting. And then we talked about how the ecosystem is doing, what we are expecting to happen in the coming months, weeks, years, etc. So if you want to know a little bit of what happened in the Enterprise Dam, go ahead and go to LinkedIn and check out, just by typing Enterprise Dam at the top of the search bar, there's a lot of pictures of exact moments at the event, like the AMA with Scott Farquhar, the DJ Paul Renshaw, the DJ that was playing at the end of the event, the other marketplace vendors like Cyber Media and Resolution guys, Sven Peters, the AMA of Sven Peters, the K15T crew, which were really cool, always really cool to meet them and chat with them and have a little fun with them and so on, so go ahead and check it out. There's Kyler too, really cool to meet Kyler again, and please go ahead and check it out because there's a lot of information about what went on at the event. Okay, so let's get back. Okay, so now for the second part of the video, I want to talk about an event that is going on in the Atlassian community. It's an Atlassian community event, if you want to name it that, but since it's October, they call it the Apptoberfest 2023. Let me show you what it is all about. Okay, so this was posted on September 29th by Kelsey from Atlassian, and she mentioned that Apptoberfest was 2 days away. We're way into Apptoberfest right now, but it was starting on October 1st. And what it's all about, as they say here, which apps or integrations that solve key challenges in Jira, Confluence, Jira Service Management, and Bitbucket help you the most and are your favorite. And it's divided in 4 different categories: apps for admins, apps for ITSM, apps for DevOps, and apps for business teams. Every single category will have a full week in order for you to submit your favorite apps. So go ahead and check that out, okay? I will also include the links in the video description so you don't get lost with it, okay? Then there's a second part, and this part is the part where we come in. The marketplace partners are allowed to share video demos of their apps for different types of teams, users, as part of an app demo competition. So we enter the competition. You should vote for your favorite demo. I will share the links right beneath the video, okay? So you can vote for them. But since we're doing this video, I want to show you what we did, and the Apptoberfest is a really cool event for us. It's an Atlassian community event for October, and we really like doing these things. So in these videos, we're presenting a demo for Budgety and how to track your post-project beers with Budgety. What are your post-project beers? Imagine that you finish your project. You finish and the project has ended successfully. So what's the best way of celebrating? Maybe with the best potion that you like. And our potion of choice is beer, in order to celebrate and to chat and to have a little fun with the team. So how do you track the cost of those beers. Sometimes you don't want to know about it, but if you're really looking into tracking the budgets of your projects correctly and in a really thorough way, you should check this video out, you know. So here's the video that we recorded. There's a little bit of a sneak peek, you know, and if you want to watch it completely, you just go to YouTube or maybe enter the link that I'm gonna share just beneath the video. Okay, this was recorded, some parts were recorded at the Enterprise Dam, some parts were recorded at our offices at Cloudworks. You know, you'll see that right now the full developer team from Deiser, the Deiser product team is gonna be there. You know, some of the guys are gonna be there. Hey guys, how you doing? You know, the product manager is having a beer too, you know, and then the man, the legend Guillermo Montoya is also having a beer because the project has ended successfully. And then we'll show you a demo for Budgety. So go ahead and check it out, and if you want to vote for it, please do so. Vote for it. And the good thing is that you'll have tags right there. And if you want to check all those Apptoberfest submissions, go ahead and check them out. There's a lot of submissions. We have Red Moon submissions, a Steel Sub demo, we have an All Street Solutions demo, we have several demos, Apptoberfest 2, you know, and several demos. So go ahead and check them out because they're really fun. And if you want to vote for any of them, just go ahead and vote. And remember, if you engage on those posts, like saying what you think about it, and engage on the posts which are asking what are your favorite apps in the marketplace, go ahead and do so, because Atlassian will provide you with a prize, will provide you with swag and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. So hope that this video was helpful, and hope that it makes you think a little bit more about attending to the AC events, because they're really cool. If you're in a city where an Atlassian community event is being held, don't be a stranger. Go ahead and check it out, because there's a lot of knowledge around. There's a lot of information that might help you and your team achieve what you're needing right now with your projects. And go ahead and check out the Atlassian community too, because the Apptoberfest is going on and it's pretty cool. So hope you have a great week. Hope you have a great weekend. See you next week with a lot more of information and a lot of surprises. Thank you very much for being there. Bye bye.